Embrace vulnerability as your strength by openly acknowledging imperfections, fostering deeper connections and trust. Cultivate mindful presence by savoring sensory details, grounding yourself in the immediate moment to transcend anxieties. Transform self-criticism into self-compassion by treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a friend. Challenge limiting beliefs by questioning their validity, replacing them with empowering affirmations that reflect your true potential. Embrace vulnerability as a conduit for deeper emotional resonance, allowing viewers to connect more intimately with the fragile genesis of an art installation's meaning. Use the concept of flow state to explain how losing oneself in the messy, imperfect moments behind us scenes enhances our emotional investment in art. Recognize the mirror neuron system's role by physically embodying the artist's struggles and triumphs to amplify our empathetic bond with their work. Apply the Gestalt principle of closure to understand how our minds fill gaps in the artist's narrative, making the unfinished behind-us scenes allure magnetically compelling. Leverage the emotional contagion effect by modulating your vocal tone and subtle facial expressions to draw viewers into the creative tension behind art installations. Encourage reflective mindfulness by consciously observing the nuanced physical effort invested in art installation setup, heightening appreciation of unseen complexities. Exploit the power of narrative transportation by vividly imagining yourself within the chaotic yet intimate creation space, forging a visceral emotional bond. Utilize selective attention by highlighting subtle behind-the-scenes mistakes artists make, making their vulnerability irresistibly relatable and deepening viewer connection. Employ emotional scaffolding by exploring narratives of persistence and doubt in installation creation, fostering deeper emotional engagement with the process. Facilitate the observer's parasocial experience by softening facial micro-expressions and modulating prosody, allowing viewers to feel emotionally connected to the artwork's hidden creation struggle. Harness the power of curiosity gap by revealing selective behind-the-scenes details paired with tantalizing personalization, keeping audiences emotionally hooked and eager to explore further. Deploy the Zeigarnik effect by highlighting incomplete or evolving installation processes to maintain lasting attention and psychological intrigue. Cultivate ambient empathy by pairing evocative visuals of artistic chaos with calm, authoritative narrative tone to envelop the viewer in a multi-layered emotional journey. Stimulate cognitive empathy by inviting viewers to mentally simulate the physical and emotional labor properties of art installation creation, increasing emotional resonance and attachment.